I wrote a song for you, recorded it on a worn-out cassette. I wrapped it up, I left it on your step. I wrote it with a poison pen, the scribblings of a poisonous mind. I said so many hateful things, didn't bother to multi-track. An angry little voice and a Radio Shack tape recorder were the only tools I used. I wrote a song for you, I have a lot of explaining to do. I wrote a song for you, I have a lot of explaining to do. I wrote a poem for you, and then I put it to these guitar chords, and then to tape. Now it's more than wounded words. I couldn't play it for you, I couldn't play it, no, not in person. Anxiety would trip me up inside. I'd shift my weight from foot to foot and scratch behind my neck like a nervous fucking wreck. Oh yes, yes, well it would be bad. I wrote a song for you, I have a lot of explaining to do. I wrote a song for you, I have a lot of explaining to do. I couldn't be trusted to behave well. I shouldn't be left alone with a low-tech device and a microphone, taking down all of my cruelty with the low-tech and a microphone. At least I didn't post an MP3. Here's a toast to you, and another to best intentions. Oh, who am I fooling? Yeah, I didn't think this through, and now I'm running back to your house. The tape was gone, and all the lights turned on. I wrote a song for you, I have a lot of explaining to do. I wrote a song for you, I have a lot of explaining to do. Explaining to do. Explaining to do. Explaining